going to put it right just in between. Okay, that layer is done. So now we're going to take and put it inside our boxes. See how that is? Alright, and like I said, after you get done embellishing all of them, you will just glue this center base and put the middle layer on it. Make sure you don't, make sure you center that base on there so that you're not over any other score marks. And then you'll do the same thing. You'll put glue here and glue down your next one. And then voila. When you fold these heart sides in, I found that they fold the best. I found that the lid fits best if they're on the outside. So don't stick them in here. Stick them on the outside of them, of those other layers. Okay. So let's see. I have to pull these out, and there you go. All right. That's what the inside looks so awesome. I love it. Ah! Okay, now for the very top, I have to switch up my blade again for a minute because we need an 8 5/8 inch by 8 5/8 inch top. And because my outside is that thicker stuff, I think I'm going to do 8 6/8, which is translated to 3/4, 8 3/4. But you will want, even if you're using regular cardstock, you will want 8 5/8 inches by 8 5/8 inches. So put that in. You're going to cut it. Reserve this for something else, or even for the inside where you're embellishing. Okay, 8 5/8. All right. Now take out the cutting blade and put the scoring blade in, and then we're going to score 1 inch and 2 1/4 inches on all sides. 1 inch. I'm going to do that first. I'm just going to do 1 inch and 1 inch and 1 inch. So 1 inch, turn it 90 degrees, score 1 inch, turn it 90 degrees, all the way around. You'll know when you get to the end because there will be a prairie grid around. Okay, now you're going to go 1 1/4 from each of those lines, or easier for me is just 2 1/4. Line it up here, and there we go. All right, then flip it 90 degrees, 2 1/4. And 2 1/4. Okay, so now you have double prairie grids, and you might be thinking, what in the world is going on here? That's all right. I'm going to show you. So you're going to take, and you're going to cut from not the first one, but the inside one, which is the 2 1/4, and you're going to go down. There's the first intersection at 1 inch, and then you're going to stop at the inside. And you'll know because there's not there. This is the middle square. You're going to do the same thing on the same side of, or same direction. Okay. So you should have a flap just like this. Now you're going to flip it 180 degrees, 90, 180, and you're going to repeat that. So not the first line, but the second line. You'll go past the first line and you'll stop at the second intersection. Move over to that next spot, which, like I said, first line, second line. Now we're just going to crease it with our bone folder. That glitter is everywhere. You really don't have to crease this little spot right here, but I'm just in crease mode, so I'm going to. Now, I don't know if you can tell. No, you know what? I'll talk to you about that later. Okay, woohoo! There we are. You're going to take and just fold this part over, the one with the long flaps, and you're going to glue that. So we'll just do that right now, and then we can flip it over and do that to the other side. That glitter is sure making it hard for everything to stick down. Okay, so now it should look like this. You've got these two flaps and these two flaps. All right. What you're going to do is put this flap right here, and then we're going to put glue along here, and then fold it over. And I'm just going to glue both sides because of this glitter, but normally this section is just fine. So fold it up, and then you're going to tweak these edges because you want a crisp, clean edge. You don't want them inside. So just make sure that that is where you want them. Okay, press that into place. And same thing, so we'll put these right here, and we'll glue this section and fold it over. Make sure we have crisp corners. Want that corner out just a little bit more, and it doesn't want to do it. All right. Okay. I do want to point something out. On mine, this does not go all the way in. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little bit of a gap. But when I had it all the way in there, it fit too tightly that these didn't crease very well. So there is a little bit of a difference there. And if you don't like it, embellish the inside. Let's put this on. We have to fold our box back up. Okay. And there you have it. Isn't that fabulous? Oh, there we go. I'm just so excited. And thank you for stopping. If you have any more questions, you can check out my blog. You can shop my website as well. Thank you very much.